Instagram password sense not working, showing this error invalid credential error problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. First of all, I would say follow all the steps because every step is important. Especially last one is very important. First of all, find Instagram apps and then long press on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info, click on I button or app info. Then go to storage option. Now clear cache your Instagram storage. Go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm, and then go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, now go back to home screen and then open Instagram. Click on profile icon. Then click on three line icon. Then go to account center. Go to password and security option. Then click on change password. Now click on forget your password option. After click on forget your password, a mail will be sent to the mail address linked to your Instagram account. Now open that mail. Now here you can see a mail sent from Instagram. Reset your password. Click on this mail and then click on reset password. Now here create your new password. After create your new password, now click on done option. Now your password change completed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.